أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم وسخر لكم الفلك لتجري في البحر بأمره وسخر لكم الأنهار.
Allah is He who created the heavens and the earth, and sends down water from the sky, and with it produces fruits for your sustenance. And He committed the ships to your service, sailing through the sea by His command, and He committed the rivers to your service.
وسخر لكم الشمس والقمر دائبين وسخر لكم الليل والنهار.
And He committed the sun and the moon to your service, both continuously pursuing their courses, and He committed the night and the day to your service.
وآتاكم من كل ما سألتموه وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الإنسان لظلوم كفار.
And He has given you something of all what you asked. And if you were to count Allah's blessings, you would not be able to enumerate them. The human being is unfair and ungrateful.